the market open today. Okay, so right here there was a drop, a base, and a drop there. Okay, and so this was, a supply zone. I had actually mapped it out last night, and then I was obviously waiting for the earnings announcement to come out. And so, but I did post this morning. So this is what was going on in the pre-market. Okay. Again, I would never trade stocks in the pre-market, and you literally cannot trade options in the pre-market. The options market only rolls during regular market hours. But we can see when in the pre-market trading, and you can see there was about 300,000 shares of Kroger that have been traded up to this point. You can see that in fact it did come up and respect in the pre-market that supply zone. And I had actually put in a note here saying we can see in the pre-market reacted to the lower supply zone, this being the lower, that being the higher, of course. This suggests a similar reaction when the supply zone is next reached in regular trading hours for a plus P buying a long put trade. So in other words, we're basically planning out to buy a put probably at this level when the market opened, as long as it didn't, go ripping through it or gapping, at the open, because I didn't really know what it was going to do. But more often than not, you will find that if you observe the